It's booty time!
You know what happens back there like every day. If you're a beginner, you might feel shy or unsure about trying anal play, but let us tell you why it's totally worth the try.
First of all, anal has nothing to do with your sexuality.
We all share sensitive nerve endings in that area, and honestly, every part of the body, when it's touched right, it can be an erogenous area.
It's just a butt.
But maybe they are scared about bringing up the subject, right? How do I tell my partner?
Do you want to do some anal sex? You can ask your partner about their sexual fantasies. And in some moment when you have to talk about yours, you just say, anal?
I got myself an anal douche.
What?
You just fill it up with water. Lovehoney's anal douche can give you that fresh, clean feeling so you can be relaxed and just enjoy the moment. Here are some of our favorite toys to do anal play. We're going to bring the donut. Lube is key to anal play. For example, this tiny thing is Lovehoney's silicone butt plug extra petite. You know, you see how it barely stretches, just a tiny bit. This one, it's Lovehoney's silicone butt plug beginners. I think this is very helpful, you know, because in the beginning you don't feel any stretch, but you might feel a little bit of stretch by the end. This is a jeweled butt plug. Let me add some more lube to it. The cold metal creates an amazing sensation. This one is called Lovehoney's Basic Slimline Butt Plug.
Super important thing. Don't forget to clean your toys.
Always, right after use. This way you will keep them fresh and clean forever. You want to use a special toy cleaner like Lovehoney's toy cleaner. Spray each one with the toy cleaner. You rinse it with warm water and let it to dry.